base 2. That is, in this number base, we are going to convert 32 to binary. Okay, let's say solution. We're going to convert 35 to binary or to base 2. That is 0 and 1. You have to write here is 35. You can write 35 here. You can keep dividing the 35 by 2 because any number in base 2 is 2. Then you can keep dividing. We have 35 divided by 2. 35 divided by 2 is equals to 17 remainder 1. Then 2 into 17. 2 into 17, we have 8 remainder 1 also. 2 into 8. 2 into 8, we have 4 remainder 0. You can keep dividing the number. Then 2 into 4 here. 2 into 4, we have 2 remainder 0 also. 2 into 2, we have 1 remainder 0. Then 2 into 1 also, we have 0 remainder 1. Then in finding the binary number, we're always considering the number in what? The remainder. We are also considering the remainders. That is, the remainders are there. I'm going to take it from the down to upwards. Therefore, 35 in base 2 is equals to 100100011 in base 2. Once you convert 35, you get in binary like this. Okay, that is the final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos, and I'll give you work to do. You can convert 13 to base 2 and comment the answer below. Bye bye.